bake it strong. We need that hustle all week long. Flour on my face, but I don't care. I'm baking goals from thin air. So rise up, buttercup, it's a new day. Sprinkle that hustle, we're on our way. Life gave me lemons, made a tart. Filled it with sass and a warm heart. Cracked a few eggs, broke a few rules, but I piped my way through baking school. If you're feeling burnt like a sad souffle, take a deep breath, today's your tray. Dust off the doubts like powdered sugar. You're the star baker, not just a looker. Whisk it, flip it, bake it strong. Preheat your soul and right what's wrong. With icing dreams and doughy pride, we roll through Monday, joy on the side.